After stories and planar thicknesses have been defined, the perimeter of the building can be defined. In this example, the perimeter walls of the basement, along with 2 walls of an elevator shaft, will be defined. To begin, from the text menu, select Geometry Walls. This displays the wall dialog. From this dialog, you can define the coordinates of the start and end points of the wall height, and orientation along the z-axis. To define the elevator shaft walls, from the Properties group box, expand the Thickness dropdown. This displays a list of previously defined thicknesses. Select TH200. Then, in the Geometry group box, in the list next to Orientation, deselect Drag. Next, in the drawing area, you pick to place pairs of points along the base structural axis to define 2 walls. As you click the second point, the walls will appear. Use the beginning and end values in the wall dialog to guide the points you pick. The elevator shaft is comprised of 2 walls. The first wall should have the beginning geometry of 4.5, 6.5, and 0.2, and the ending geometry of 6, 6.5, and 0.2. The second wall should have the beginning geometry of 4.5, 4.5, and 0.2, and the ending geometry of 6, 4.5, and 0.2. Another method to create walls is by continuously picking points along the perimeter. To define the walls of the basement perimeter, from the wall dialog, enable the Drag option. Next, click along the Story 1 level in the drawing area. Click 4 points around the defined structural axis to create a rectangular shape. Now the walls have been defined for the basement. In the wall dialog, click Close.